What's new in the iPhone 17 Pro Max? You'll find out everything in this video, including whether or not it's worth buying. After consulting expert opinions, we've discovered that the iPhone 17 Pro Max brings around 7 major updates. Stay with me till the end of the video, where I'll explain each update step by step. 1. 24-megapixel front-facing camera. Apple is finally upgrading the front camera from 12 megapixels to a powerful 24 megapixels. This means you can expect sharper, clearer, and more detailed selfies and video calls. It's a big step forward for content creators and selfie lovers who want top-notch front camera performance. 2. A19 Pro Chipset. The iPhone 17 Pro Max will be powered by Apple's new A19 Pro chip. This advanced processor is designed for faster performance, smoother multitasking, and better handling of AI tasks. Whether you're gaming, editing videos, or using AI features, the A19 Pro ensures the device runs fast and efficiently. 3. 12 gigabytes. RAM. Most ever in an iPhone, Apple is finally stepping up its RAM game by introducing 12 gigabytes of RAM in the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max, the highest ever in any iPhone. This upgrade will significantly improve app performance, multitasking, and AI processing speed, especially for power users and professionals. 4. Apple's own Wi-Fi and Bluetooth chips. Apple has developed its own custom Wi-Fi and Bluetooth combo chip, which will be used in the iPhone 17 Pro Max. This will likely offer better connectivity, lower latency, and improved battery efficiency. However, the 5G modem will still be supplied by Qualcomm for another year. 5. Larger rectangular camera bump. A noticeable design change is the larger rectangular camera bump. This new layout may allow for upgraded camera hardware or additional sensors. The top part of the back is expected to feature a full-width aluminum design, while the bottom will retain glass to support wireless charging. 6. New aluminum frame design. Interestingly, Apple is moving away from the titanium frame introduced last year and switching to aluminum in the iPhone 17 Pro Max. This design shift may help reduce weight or offer a fresh look, though we'll have to wait for Apple's explanation behind this move. 7. Improved cooling system with vapor chamber. To handle the demands of powerful chips and AI processing, the iPhone 17 Pro Max will include an upgraded cooling system with a vapor chamber and graphite sheet. This helps maintain top performance during heavy use and ensures the phone stays cooler under pressure.